time, what a sweet surprise. Your latte, my espresso, sparks something in your eyes. No numbers exchanged, but I can't forget your face. Just a feeling deep inside, this moment I can't erase. Your eyes are hypnotic, your smiles are electric, your voice is magnetic. Your moves are ecstatic, your charm is authentic, your presence is real magic. Weeks fly by, then bam, my groceries hit the floor. You're there catching oranges, like we met before. City streets align, bringing you back to me. Is this coincidence or sweet serendipity? Your eyes are hypnotic, your smiles are electric, your voice is magnetic. Your moves are ecstatic, your charm is authentic, your presence is real magic. Your eyes are hypnotic, your smiles are electric, your voice is magnetic. Your moves are ecstatic, your moves are ecstatic, your presence is real magic. Cappuccino for me, Americano's your go-to. Trading numbers and lattes, our stories breaking through. Call it luck or call it fate, I'm falling fast. This coffee shop crush is built to last. From mix-ups to meetups, our story's just begun. Every day's an adventure, filled with laughter and fun. No need to question why, the stars align just right. Cause with you by my side, everything feels so bright. Your eyes are hypnotic, your smiles are electric, your voice is magnetic. Your moves are ecstatic, your charm is authentic, your presence is real magic. Your eyes are hypnotic, your smiles are electric, your voice is magnetic. Your moves are ecstatic, your moves are ecstatic, your presence is real magic. Your presence is real magic. This crush is automatic. Coffee dates and city nights, everything feels so right. Cappuccino for me. I wake up before the alarm goes off. Feels so good, I just gotta show off. Scrambled eggs, the coffee's just right. Birds are singing and the sky's so bright. I step outside, wind's cozy and cool. Everything's perfect, can't be a fluke. I'm smiling big like I've won the day, but I don't know why it feels this way. So I grab my phone and I just have to say, hey Siri, what's up with me today? Siri says perhaps it's love, maybe it's the date you're thinking of. You got Samantha in 3 hours or so at the roadside cafe just around the corner, you know. Perhaps it's love, oh yeah. Perhaps it's love, I swear, I swear. Everything's brighter, I swear it's true. Like the whole world's made just for you. Even traffic seems to be on my side. No delays, just a perfect ride. I'm counting down till the moment we meet. Heart racing fast with every beat. Can't shake this joy, feels so divine. Guess love's the reason why I'm feeling fine. So I grab my phone and I just have to say, hey Siri, what's up with me today? Siri says perhaps it's love, maybe it's the date you're thinking of. You got Samantha in 3 hours or so at the roadside cafe just around the corner, you know. Perhaps it's love, oh yeah. Perhaps it's love, I swear, I swear. kind of feeling you can't describe. Everything's better, everything's bright, and Siri's right, it's love tonight. Siri says perhaps it's love, maybe it's the date you're thinking of. You got Samantha in 3 hours or so at the roadside cafe just around the corner, you know. Perhaps it's love, oh yeah. Perhaps it's love, I swear, I swear. I've got that glow, I've got that vibe, the kind of feeling you can't describe. Everything's better, everything's bright, and Siri's right, it's love tonight. Siri says perhaps it's love, maybe it's the date you're thinking of. You got Samantha in 3 hours or so at the roadside cafe just around the corner, you know. Perhaps it's love, oh yeah. Perhaps it's love, I swear, I swear. Sunlight streams through our window. Your smile greets the dawn. Coffee's brewing, birds are singing. This moment, perfect and warm. Sometimes life is sweet, sometimes life is hard, but many times life seems normal and don't have any spark. Through the highs and lows we go, hand in hand we'll learn and grow, finding beauty every day. Our love lights up the way. Midday heat hangs in the air. Minutes crawl, clock ticks slow. Fans whir, nothing's happening. Just us in this mundane flow. Sometimes life is sweet, sometimes life is hard, but many times life seems normal and don't have any spark. Through the highs and lows we go, hand in hand we'll learn and grow, finding beauty every day. Our love lights up the way. Dark clouds gather overhead. Thunder rumbles, rain pours down. Plans cancel, mood turns sour. Frowns replace our morning's crown. Sometimes life is sweet, sometimes life is hard, but many times life seems normal and don't have any spark. Through the highs and lows we go, hand in hand we'll learn and grow, finding beauty every day. Our love lights up the way. Evening breeze cools our skin. Stars peek through the fading light. We breathe deep, reflect on life, finding peace in the quiet night. Moonlight dancing on the waves. We've been drifting day by day. Something's changing in the air. As I find the words to say, there's a horizon calling us beyond the stars we've known. Take my hand, don't be afraid. Let's make this world our own. We're sailing in the open sea. Let the wind to take the lead. We will reach a magic beach. All you need to do is trust me. Feels like pieces falling into place. What we have is rare and true. Let's set our course at our own pace. The anchors of the sails unfurled. Our love story's waiting to be told. No maps needed, just faith in us as we watch our future now unfold. We're sailing in the open sea. Let the wind to take the lead. We will reach a magic beach. All you need to do is trust me. The journey sweeter side by side. With you I'm ready for the ride. You're the kindest man I ever met. Sweet, charming, and full of tenderness. Your smile brighter than the sunset. Your presence fills me with happiness. Every moment with you feels so right. I'm falling deeper with each passing night. I wanna go deeper, grow stronger on this path with you. I wanna fly higher, see further in this flight with you. Let's take this love to the next level, make our dreams come true. Together we'll build something special, just me and you. Your laughter echoes in my heart, a melody that sets us apart. With gentle eyes you see right through to a love that's honest and true. Each day with you is a gift I treasure, our bond growing beyond measure. I wanna go deeper, grow stronger on this path with you. I wanna fly high me and you. Hand in hand we'll face tomorrow. Joy, pain, laughter, or sorrow. Our love's a story yet untold. A future bright and love so bold. I wanna go deeper, grow stronger on this path with you. I wanna fly higher, see further in this flight with you. Let's take this love to the next level, make our dreams come true. Together we'll build something special, just me and you. Oh my love, can't you see? You're everything to me. Let's write our story, chapter by chapter. I love growing ever after. Can't you see? You're everything to me. Let's write our story chapter by chapter.